These are the Huggy wipes that we're putting in here, and these are the Huggies diapers. So when you take the diaper off, don't ever do it like this. When you want to undo, and then you want to basically grab him by the legs and kind of lift him for about 20 seconds because there may be some more poop or pee coming down. That is a lifesaver, guys. I am telling you this. Oh my God. When your child is yelling and you need to act quick, even this, honestly, and then lifting this tab and then pulling this out, where after the first one, this is kind of lost. You have to keep digging for it. It's so annoying, I'm telling you. Whereas with this one, place this here, grab your diaper, right, and your Vaseline. The Vaseline is there, so when you put the new diaper on, right, you can just lift this and the Vaseline will clean up the poop a lot easier. So that's the point of Vaseline. These are good. So these are for newborns, right? And there's a little yellow line here, so this is for your pee. So boys, make sure you tuck him down. So when you take the diaper off, in case you never change the diaper, when you want to undo, and then you want to basically grab him by the legs and kind of lift him for about 20 seconds because there may be some more poop or pee coming down. And then only then you grab it from underneath and then you wipe him or her from underneath, and then that's going to catch any additional stuff in there. Always look at it to make sure what it is. We log it in an app, for example, and then you get your trusty garbage bag beside you. That's an Ubi. Never use regular plastic grocery bags. I'm telling you guys, it smells so bad. Wipe. Right, take your Vaseline. We usually put it in between the legs so the chafing isn't there, and again into the crack and around the butts. And then take this, lift it over, pull these tabs, 1 over, 2 over, and you're done. Your baby's wrapped. These are definitely leak proof as well because of these tight little things on the side. So we've not had an accident, but I did have the piece be so much of a stream that it actually went through the diaper right here on the side. He peed so much that it actually went through and it soaked my shirt. So it does happen, I'm not gonna lie to you. But getting back to this, that is a lifesaver, guys. I am telling you this. Oh my God, so much better than grabbing this because sometimes, see, it's not gonna lift that easily. See, this hangs, there's like a little clip, so this hangs on your stroller or on your diaper bag. Do I recommend this? Yeah. And this is how you open it to get these out. And then these are the Huggy wipes that we're putting in here, and these are the Huggies diapers. So thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for new parents.